Hello everyone, this is Vladimir again. This fall, me and my friend Rich Ochoa and his friend Robert, now also known as my friend as well, decided to take a kayak/canoe day at the Snoqualmie River. Amazing day. At some point we stopped for a snack break and one question popped up in my head.
Rich, tell us, if we are like in a woods or somewhere and we don't have anything to wash our hands with, but we wanna pee and then eat, how do we do that? How do we do touchless pee?
Touchless pee. You just grab your pants and your underwear together and you pull it down below your pecker. Make sure it's below the pecker before you start to flow. And then it's just sitting down there like this, you know, a little bit lower, of course. And then you just pee as normal, kind of instinctive there. And then when you're done, you pull the stuff up and just jiggle it off, man. Just fucking jiggle it off. You know, then you put it back in your pants and underwear at the same time, then you go get yourself a sandwich and you're all good.
Alright, thank you.
Like this? I don't get it.
No, oh man, no. I'm Rich Ochoa, and if you have to pee in the woods, don't be a dumbass.